How to host multiplayer Palworld Xbox. Welcome to Glitz and let's get right into this video. To host multiplayer on your Palworld Xbox, it is pretty much simple. Firstly, we need to enable the multiplayer during world creation or from the settings. In order to do so, launch your Palworld on your Xbox. Now once you are in here and a game is completely loaded, you need to head to the settings to select your world. Now in your world selection, you will get the option of change world setting at the very bottom. Now all you have to do is select on the change world setting option. We need to do so that we can toggle for multiplayer. Make sure to turn it on before finalizing the world creation process every time you want a multiplayer or host a multiplayer game. Select the multiplayer mode. Now once you have done it, you need to generate an invite code. In order to do so, you have to launch a game. Search for the pause button to pause the game. You will find it in the options tab. Once you have paused the game, look for the option to reveal the invite code. This code is unique for each session, so you will need to generate a new one every time. Once you have received your code, share it with your friends. Then accept their invite. By this way, you'll be able to host your multiplayer and even play with your friends on Palworld Xbox. That wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.